Right. Well, I'm going to welcome all of you, our boys and girls, and everyone in the audience today, and our parents. This is our first virtual awards assembly. So, this is our very first one with this particular grade level. So, what we're going to end up doing, boys and girls, is I need you to pay attention and listen just like we do at our regular assemblies. Make sure that you have your mics muted, and that way we don't get any feedback on our end. Okay, so I want you to be respectful. You can do, when you hear your friend's name being called for the award or your name, you can clap silently or put a thumbs up. Or if you have a sign, you can show your sign, congratulations, whatever you like to do. Just make sure it's on mute, okay? And again, remember, everybody is deserving of just a great job that you've all done. It's so hard for the teachers to pick just a few students to receive these awards, but we want you to know that you've done a great job, and I want to thank you for being online and doing your best to learn in this tough time. Okay, so we're going to start our presentation this morning. I'm going to start with showing you the actual presentation. So let me go to the awards assembly presentation. Okay. So again, welcome to the virtual awards assembly. This is for first grade, and we like to present this, or I will present this, and there are three categories we want to keep in mind here. We have Citizenship of the Month, and those are students who do their homework, do their work, listen to the teacher when they're teaching and when they're asking you to do something. They're being responsible by helping their teacher and by making sure they turn their homework on time. These are just students who are overall great. They follow the rules and they do their very best to be excellent students. Our Student of the Month award are students who have excelled academically in reading, writing, and math in one of those areas, or have improved dramatically in reading, writing, and mathematics. And our Participation Award is a new one. That award is for students who who participate, are always on time when they log on, are always participating in answering questions, and also listening, putting it on mute when they need to, and they're just giving it their all to participate online and to do their very best. Okay, so we like to recognize the following students, and here we go. In Mr. Kapinpin's class for Citizenship of the Month, we have Alicia Tran, congratulations, and Abraham Pedraza, congratulations. For Student of the Month, we have Elisa Jimenez Barraga and Julian Navarrete Avila, and Krista Caro as well. For participation, we have Ezra Gonzalez and Alaya Fao, congratulations. Here we go, Miss Casisa's class. For Student of the Month, we have Kira Abarca and Chloe Stevens. For Citizenship of the Month, Maddox Inacio and Aria Handy. For participation, we have Nathan Parlong and Bailey Miranda. In Mrs. Reed's class, Citizenship of the Month goes to Jet Morgan, congratulations, and our Amaris Duran. Student of the Month goes to Audrey Luchins and Ruben Cortez. And Participation Award goes to Jaden Sanchez Colin and Jaylene Cardosa. And also Bryce Rabone for participation. Congratulations to all those students. Those were three classes. And I just want you to know that you will receive your certificates in the mail. We're printing them as we speak. We're going to put them in envelopes, and you will receive them in the mail. So, again, everyone's a winner. You've done a great job. We had to recognize just a few. We wish we could recognize more of you, but keep on doing your very best, listening to instructions, doing your homework, doing your best academically, and participating. Your teachers are looking and watching to see who's doing a great job
Thank you
for
so
the next
Thank you guys so much
step.
for your patience. So what happened, guys, is we just need to I will try to present my screen and see if this works, okay? Wish me luck.
Okay, so at this time, boys and girls, I like to share something with you. Would you guys like to see a little show or a little video
Here
I
we
put together?
go.
Okay, so here we go. I want to show you something. And this is your teachers.
Sorry, guys. Thanks for the update.
All right, I hope you guys like that. Did you guys get to see that? Mr. Kapinpin, I like your moves. Cassis and Miss Reed. I look at Mr. Kapinpin. I will share that with Miss Georgina. She will love seeing that one. Happy holidays, all of you. I just hope you have a blessed time with your families. Take care. God bless. And hopefully, we see you guys back at school when this coronavirus goes away.